Hi, this is Team B showing our demo for Silent 4, their wireless remote controlling the robot. You can see here, this is our wireless remote. We have the accelerometer and we have the wireless ZigBee radio. And you can see that it's wirelessly connected to the ZigBee radio. Our robot side right there. Okay, cool. Now coming back, we'll show our dead man switch, which is this push button right here. You can see that if you zoom out a little bit, you can see that if we don't have it pressed, we try to turn forward, nothing happens. Turn backwards, nothing happens. Turn left, nothing happens. Turn right, nothing happens. However, if I press this push button and try to drive, you see that it drives forward. If I turn back, it drives backwards. If I turn left, it turns left. If I turn right, it turns right. If I turn to right really fast, and it turns right really fast. If I turn left really fast, and it goes even faster. Same with going straight, and coming back. Going straight, and coming back, and really fast, and coming back. Now if we press a button for the song, which is this button on top, you can hear that it plays a song. Okay, now we'll demonstrate our obstacle avoidance. So our partner's foot will be the obstacle. You can see here as there's an obstacle in front. If I try to drive the robot forward, like that, the LEDs turn bright and I can't drive it. And then you can see here, the robot does not move, but I can only move backwards or left or right. But forward is not an option for me once I have obstacle in front. So that's it. Thank you.